If you didn't know, half of Cleveland Park is fenced off right now, and I want to see what the ride into downtown actually looks like while it is. What I'm on right now is the Paperclip. Now that's not the official name, but that's the name the locals use to describe this switchback. On the left there, that's Run In, the running store. So this is about where the ride starts to feel like we're getting into downtown. And there it is, the playground next to the zoo. Or it's going to be again, eventually. So the trail that runs past the zoo, that's inside the fence right now. So this is the Detour. It's paved, technically. The tree roots have been working on it. But honestly, I think it's really nice. Alright, quick review of the Detour. Shade's better, pavement's bumpier, but nobody out here seems to be upset about that. And we're back. Cleveland Park proper. There on the right, the trail's closed off too. That fence is very committed. Right here is the first time you come across the Reedy River, and it will stay our companion for the rest of this ride. So the bridge is a memorial for Major Rudolph Anderson Jr., and so is the jet. And if you've ever wondered why there's a fighter jet in the middle of a city park, lean in close for a story time. So Anderson grew up here. In 1962, he was flying a U-2 over Cuba when it was shot down. He was the only American killed in the entire Cuban Missile Crisis. The city wanted to put a U-2 up there for him, but they couldn't get one. So this is a Sabre, the plane he flew in Korea. It's been up there since 1963. This is Cancer Survivors Park. It's the hinge between Cleveland Park and Falls Park, and it might be the quietest spot in downtown Greenville. This statue is called the Welcome. She's here as a memorial for Esta McCrary, and she's been greeting people at this park since 2021. Up ahead is a still tree called Turning Point. The discs are supposed to be all the different emotions people carry through here. They catch the sun during the day, and the whole trunk lights up at night. Now we've made it to the outer part of Falls Park, downtown. So what did we learn? The middle is a bit of a mess, but the rest more than makes up for it. Still the best way into downtown Greenville, and that's the state of the trail.